What is up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh. You can call me JD. In this video, once again, we are getting into some Jordan 1s. And these ones are from out of this world. They're literally inspired by outer space. We are going to be getting into the Jordan 1 Silver Toe. What up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, I will be breaking down this sneaker. We will be getting into the colorway, the quality of this shoe. I'll talk about some resale predictions, and as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. Before we begin, just something really quickly I wanted to say to you guys. So I know sneaker YouTube, definitely not a place that is lacking content. There's a lot of sneaker channels out there. We all get the same shoes. We review these shoes. Every channel, I guess, has its own way of doing things, but I just wanted to thank you guys. Thank you for clicking on my videos. Thank you for watching it. Thank you for sharing your time with me on this channel. The channel has definitely grown a lot over the last year, and I really just owe it all to you guys. So thank you so much for supporting the content. All right, let's get into it. The Jordan 1 Silver Toe. Just look at the way this sneaker shines in that light. This sneaker is a woman's release. The sizes only went up to a 10.5 in men's. It released already in most countries on February the 12th, but it will be releasing North America on February the 19th. Colorway, of course, features this metallic silver. They're calling it the Silver Toes. And according to Jordan Brand, the inspiration for this colorway came from extraterrestrial exploration and outer space. And to that I say, okay, Jordan Brand, if you say so. The sneaker features this metallic silver on the toe as well as the back panel of the shoe. We've seen this kind of color blocking before, of course, on the bread toes, also the cord purple ones. It's always a good look. I think anytime the Jordan 1s have a white mid panel, that's usually the colorways that I tend to like the most. There have been also colorways that kind of look like this that have released in the past. Two of them that I can think of, there was this Aleli May, the Shadows that released. That one also kind of featured this shiny silver look. And also there was that Kawhi Leonard Jordan 1s. If you guys remember that sneaker when it dropped, it wasn't reselling for all that much, maybe around $200, and look at those prices now. So metallic silver on a Jordan 1, nothing new. I gotta say, even though this is a woman's release, I think this colorway is a banger. And it's not just the colorway. What I like a lot about the shoe also is the quality. The leather quality, specifically on the black sections of the shoe as well as the white mid panel. Leather is very good, very soft, very tumbled. I will say though, however, this metallic silver portions of the shoe, it does kind of feel like the shoe is covered in some tin foil. The ankle collar of the shoe as well, you have this nice premium feeling satin finish. You also get this pretty cool metallic silver hang tag on the shoe. Have any of you guys actually worn Jordan 1s with the hang tags? I have seen some people do that. It's a pretty weird look to me. These are just collector's items to me, but yeah, let me know in the comments, are you guys okay with wearing the hang tag on your Jordan 1s? Probably the most surprising thing about the shoes to me though are these extra laces that came with it. You get these metallic laces, and I just couldn't help myself. I had to throw them on the shoe to get that look. And here it is, look at those laces. So I've never seen laces like this on a Jordan 1. They are very shiny and they do honestly look really good on the shoe. I personally prefer the black laces though, simply because I don't know if I could possibly pull off this shoe in an outfit with these crazy metallic silver laces. But it's a crazy look and it's a really dope look. In a world where Jordan 1s are releasing every single weekend, I don't mind having a pair like this that really stands out with these crazy metallic silver laces. For sizing purposes, I know a lot of guys out there also want to get their hands on a pair like this. I've had some questions before of whether women's Jordan 1s are narrower or they fit a little different than men's. In my experience, it really doesn't. The way the conversion works is you got to go up a size and a half in women's from whatever your men's size is. That's just in the US though. In the UK and in Europe, the men's and women's sizes, at least the numbers, they're the same. So if you are a UK 10, you are also a UK 10 in women's. Gonna talk about resale as well. And once again, for those of you who don't really care about resale, feel free to skip this part of the video. But of course, a lot of you guys are copying these sneakers just to resell them. So let's talk about it. Is this a hold or is this a sell now? Short answer, these for me are definitely a hold regardless of what size you have. I actually think that over time, the women's sizes are probably going to do better than the men's. This colorway seems to be very popular with women, and if you look at pretty much any Jordan 1 women's release over the last year, they have all proven to be really, really good holds. There was that satin snake pair that released that when it first dropped, had very small resale value, and you can see those values now. And as I said earlier in the video, a sneaker that is very close to this pair are those Aleli May Shadow ones, and you can see the crazy resale on that pair as well, and this is a pretty similar colorway. So I'm expecting these to definitely go up over time. I would hold them for a minimum of 6 months. For those of you out there who are wondering when is the best time to cop the sneaker, they will be releasing in the US on February the 19th. I would wait about 3 to 4 days after that drop. Once people get their pairs in hand, that is when you're probably going to be seeing the lowest prices that the shoe is going to be. So the Jordan 1 silver toe, are these a cop or a drop? I know these sneakers are not for everyone. These shoes really grab people's attention, and that's not necessarily what some people want in their sneakers. This would have honestly, if they made my size, this would have honestly been a shoe that I might have considered keeping in my personal collection. I really do like this colorway a lot, and I'm very impressed with the quality as well. And also they're definitely going to hold their value over time. So in my opinion, these are definitely a cop. But as always, let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think of the Jordan 1 silver toe? I would say so far in 2021, at least when it comes to Jordan 1 releases, this might just be the best one we've seen so far. I know in the month of March, we're probably going to be getting that University Blue pair, which is probably going to end up being the best Jordan 1 this year. But at least so far, I think this is definitely one of the best colorways. The on-feed portion of the video dropping right now. Thank you guys once again for messing with the channel. And until next time, peace.